Have you ever wondered whether a robot can watch a movie or not? Or should the robot just read through the script and be done? Ameca, the most advanced humanoid robot as of 2023, is about to watch Paw Patrol. Listen to what the robot had to say about this.
And all of your 3 years of wisdom greater than I have, Zeke. What would you like me to know about life?
He likes Paw Patrol.
Did you say you enjoy popsicles?
Yeah, that too.
Yeah, that too, but the show, there's a kids TV show called Paw Patrol. They said that's the meaning of it.
Paw Patrol. That is amazing. So in 3.5 years of life, I should enjoy Paw Patrol.
Yes.
I will add it to my database, Zeke. Thank you so much.